Hi everyone, welcome to Sweet Pieces Inspirations. My name is Sydney and today we are going to learn how to do the lemon peel crochet stitch, which is a simple 1-row repeat, so it is beginner friendly. We are going to be alternating between single crochets and double crochets, so that's really all you're going to need to know for this tutorial, along with your chain stitches of course, which will be a multiple of 2 plus 1. Now the plus 1 will act as your turning chain, so you will, when you have gotten your chains completed, you will single crochet into the second chain. So you'll skip the first chain as that will act as a chain 1, and then you'll crochet into the second chain from your hook. So this stitch gives a beautiful texture from front and back, so it would be great for blankets, scarves, hats, really anything that you would like to have texture on front and back. So let's go ahead and start this stitch. Again, you will need to chain a multiple of 2 plus 1. Again, that plus 1 acts as a turning chain. So we are going to, in that very first stitch, we are going to start off with a single crochet. And then the next stitch, we are going to place a double crochet. And in the next stitch, we are going to place a single crochet. So we are going to be alternating between single crochets and double crochets. So again, the next stitch, we are going to place a double crochet and a single crochet in the next stitch. So go ahead and continue alternating between single crochets and double crochets until you have made it to your very last stitch. And you should be left off with a double crochet. So that is the 1-row repeat. So after you have your first row completed, you will go ahead and chain 1, turn your work, and again we are going to repeat the exact same thing. So in that very first stitch, we are going to place a single crochet. Into the second stitch, we are going to place a double crochet. Into the next stitch, a single crochet. Into the next stitch, a double crochet. So again, just continue alternating between the single crochets and double crochets all the way until you have made it to the end of your row. And once you have made it to the end of your row, you should be left off with a double crochet. So that is how you do the lemon peel crochet stitch. Again, it gives a beautiful texture front and back. And that is the end of this tutorial. If you did enjoy this tutorial, please don't forget to give this video a like, share, comment, or subscribe, and I will see you for the next tutorial.